What's up guys? So about 2 months ago, I uploaded a video where I shared my opinion why I think Kraken is the best 5-star purple renegade as a shooter player. And if you don't have Gyre to play with, if you don't have any golden renegade to play with, I think Kraken as a 5-star purple renegade is going to be awesome for you. But that video was uploaded before the renegade nerf. A lot of things are different now. And I finally got my Kraken at 5-star 1 week ago, and I did some experiment with him. So I want to share my opinion about Kraken as your primary renegade after the renegade nerf. And I know I'm late in this party. A lot of players have already gotten Kraken at 5-star, but you have seen that most of them are using Kraken as 2nd slot or 3rd slot renegade. I hardly encounter any player that is using Kraken as their primary renegade. So I am using Kraken as my primary renegade, and I will share my opinion with you guys. So let's talk about this. Before I tell you my experience with 5-star Kraken, let's see what GM or the game is telling us to do with Kraken. If you will go in the renegade guide, you can clearly see that game is trying to tell us that Kraken is a supporter renegade, an armor master. That means that he's made to be used as your 2nd slot or 3rd slot renegade. They are not telling us that Kraken is a 1st slot renegade at all. You can see that right here, that is a supporter renegade, and game doesn't recommend Kraken as a primary renegade at all. And I disagree with this because I started to use Kraken as my primary renegade since he was 4-star. Even after the renegade nerf, he was giving me 20 to 25,000 renegade kills on any opponent that have a basic purple renegade setup like Launching Oscar and Kit. That was when Kraken was 4-star, and now I have Kraken at 5-star. And what I did was, I did not try to max out his final skill as fast as possible or immediately. The first thing was that I don't have enough renegade skill experience to do that, and the next one was that I want to see how much difference it's going to make, because I just don't want to waste my renegade skill experience on Kraken if it's not going to make any difference. So first what I did was to upgrade his final skill to level 1, and then I go in real estate event and try it on some players, and then I leveled up his final skill once again to level 2, and then I go in real estate event once again and try this on some players again, and I noticed some major difference in my renegade kills. Now at level 4 I was getting about 30,000 to 40,000 renegade kills on average against any opponent that have basic purple renegade setup. So definitely Kraken renegade kills increase once his final skill is unlocked and I start to upgrade his final skill. So yeah guys, Kraken is giving me some decent renegade kills now, and this is just beginning. My first skill on Kraken is at level 8 and his final skill is at level 4. So there is a lot of work for me to do on Kraken, and he's far from being maxed out, and he's giving me on average 30,000 to 40,000 renegade kills on any player that have basic purple renegade setup. So this is making a huge difference guys. 30,000 to 40,000 renegade kills is a lot of renegade kills, especially after the renegade nerf. My video is still accurate. If you are a shooter player and you don't have Gyre to play with, Kraken will be the best choice for you even after the renegade nerf. I will test him out and make a video about Kraken once again to see how strong he is, and I'm going to save some reports on my Kraken when he was 4-star, when he's 5-star, and finally when he's going to maxed out, and we will see how much difference it's going to make. So soon I'm going to upload a video where we will see Kraken at 100%. So you guys make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, do all that good stuff. And that was my opinion on Kraken. Let me know your opinion about him in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.